Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can use webhooks in N8n. So let's get started. First, start by creating a workflow. You can either click Start from scratch or open a workflow you've already created. Then, add the first step by right-clicking and selecting Add Node. Choose Webhook. Here, you'll see the configuration options for your webhook. You can change the path or other settings, but for this example, I'll keep the defaults. Now let's test the webhook. Click on the webhook URL to copy it. Then click Listen for test events. After that, open a new browser window and paste the URL. To send variables to the webhook, add a question mark at the end of the URL, followed by the variable name, an equals sign, and its value. For example, title equals sign spreadsheet. Then press Enter. You'll see a message saying the workflow was started. Back in N8n, you can see that the variable title with the value spreadsheet was successfully received. Now, let's use this webhook to create a Google spreadsheet. Add a new node for Google Sheets. Select Create Spreadsheet as the operation and connect your credentials. For the document title, set it to use the value received from the webhook. Next, test the workflow again. Click Test Workflow, then reopen your browser, copy the webhook URL, and add the variable again. It doesn't have to be title. You can use any variable name depending on how you want to connect it with other nodes. Once you run it, you'll see that the workflow has been successfully executed and a new spreadsheet has been created. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.